Hello and welcome to a preview video ahead of the FOMC monetary policy decisions and rate decisions on Thursday for the month of September. Now, in terms of consensus, markets are expecting rates to remain on hold. That would be at 0 to 0.25%. However, futures are currently pricing in the probability at around 30% for a rate hike, so that's fairly substantial. That, alongside the fact that this meeting is one of the most hyped in recent years, is likely to cause a degree of volatility across markets, regardless of the decision. Now, in terms of keeping the rate on hold, many expect that now because the Fed have not communicated that they will hike. Quite a few Fed officials have said they're undecided, and markets would expect to be better prepared, especially considering the Fed's commitment to communication. That, alongside the fact that we have seen Black Monday recently, so a lot of volatility in China and Asia, and that's not been fully factored in yet, and we haven't seen the full impact on data, so the Fed may wait to see what those results are. Conversely though, hawks might say that if the Fed wait for overwhelming evidence before hiking, this would leave things a little bit too late. But again, the decisions are the first to come out. They'll come alongside the projections. Now, in terms of the projections, a lot of focus will be on where Fed officials see the rate at the end of 2015. Now, if that's all bunched between 0.25 and 0.5%, that would imply most Fed officials see a rate rise by the end of the year. That would be in fitting with what Yellen said back in July. She hasn't actually spoken since July when she testified to the House panel, but she implied there would be a rate increase by the end of 2015. But she'll be speaking 30 minutes after the decision and 30 minutes after the projection, where a lot of focus will be on her rhetoric and whether it is slightly more hawkish or more dovish considering what's going on in China and across financial markets globally. They're the main points though, so consensus is for rates to remain on hold at 0.0 to 0.25%, although there is a substantial outside bet of an increase of 25 basis points. But then the main points. Thank you very much for listening and good luck trading the FOMC.